Hello developers, today we'll see that how we can develop this horizontal card swiper using only HTML, CSS, and we will not use JavaScript, and we will also not use any kind of external libraries to create this. This will be just using only HTML and CSS. So this will be the code. We'll use this code sandbox, and I'll share the code link as well. Okay, so if you see this HTML, here we have a container. Inside this body element we have this container, and inside this container we have this slider container which will wrap all the sliders, cards basically, and we have this card holder. Okay, and inside this card holder we have all the cards. So this is just a simple div, and we have this title and the subtitle and this arrow and nothing else. So this is just a card, and we have around 1 2 3 4 5 6 cards we have. Okay, let's see what CSS we have to give to achieve this. Okay, so we can have this container, and we will create this container as a flex box with the item align as center and justify content as a center. And for this slider container we'll give the width of 100% and height of it content. This is just a padding to have this have this horizontal scroll bar with some gap. Okay, and this is for the scroll bar. We'll come to this later. I'll just comment it out for some time. Okay, this is the card holder, and this card holder will give the width of it content. This is also a flex box having the item align as center and justify content as center as well. And for this is the styling of card, nothing fancy, just a simple card with some border radius and box shadow and nothing else. This is the styling for the title, the subtitle, and this arrow, which is the span inside the card. Okay, so if you see here, and let me refresh it out. If you see here, we have this scroll bar, the horizontal scroll bar coming in the body itself, in this whole document itself, right? So to remove that, what we can do is we can just add this overflow as auto in this slider container, right? What is the slider container? This is a slider container which is a wrapper div for this card holder. Okay, and if I refresh it, you will see that this horizontal bar came for only for this swiper component or this swiper element, right? It's not coming for whole of the whole body or the whole document or the whole layout, right? We can just give this styling for this scroll bar, and here is the styling for that. I'll just uncomment it. This is just a very simple scroll bar, and if you want to if you want something, the generator for this scroll bar, then you can go to this web dev resource. Here you will see, here you can find actually a lot of tools. Okay, the generator, so you can search for this scroll bar generator. Okay, and then you can use that. Okay, let's forget out. Okay, now if I'll refresh it, you can see that here is the beautiful swiper, the card swiper, actually just using only HTML and CSS, and we haven't used any external library, right? And we have achieved this. You can go to my code sandbox, search for this caps code, and the file name is horizontal swiper in HTML and CSS. If you like this video, share, subscribe, and do comment your reviews. Thank you.